Okay, how to make your pinhole. Right, aluminium, there it is. A bit of aluminium shim from a beer can, or aluminium can, Coke can, whatever. It's quite thin, but what we're going to do is make a tiny hole. And the way we're going to do it is grab our pin, and a needle pin's the best, or a dressmaking pin. And then you want to use this finger here. You want to actually push onto that finger. So we're finding a blank point there, and we're going to start drilling in a scary way on your finger. Don't push too hard. Whoa, hang on. I can feel the bump. There we go. The bump has got through. So we then stop. That's the difficult bit. And we get our boomerang. I think it's some sort of emery board or some sort. So I don't know. Just found it. And just give it a little bit of a sand at the bottom. Get rid of that bump. Yeah. Get rid of the sand at the top. And this is where, if you haven't washed your aluminium shim, you'll end up with loads of gunge. So do it in a circular manner, and that's well. And then, hopefully, you'll have your pinhole. And there we have a tiny pinhole. Pretty cool. It's about 1/4 millimetre in diameter. Yeah. Then we cut it and put it into our DSLR body cap. So we have our DSLR body cap. That's got a hole drilled into it, quite a big hole, and it should be a bit more central than that, but it doesn't matter too much. And what we've got also is our aluminium pinhole, and I've actually made a little circle so you can see where the centre, where the pinhole actually is. And we put it into the back there with our piece of sticky tape just to make it central. And you don't want it central to that hole because it's not very centred. You want it a bit to one side. So I'm going to stick it down there, and then stick it the rest of the tape down. So there's our body cap with the pinhole stuck in, and that's the front. And just see where the pinhole is here, just to check it's visible. There it is. So you can see the pinhole. Okay, it's central to the actual body cap rather than the actual hole that's been drilled, because I drilled it badly. Brilliant. Then all you need to do is put that on your camera and start playing.